talking to someone who has a child, I need to be the priority. When you have a kid, your child is your priority, and then probably the mother. So I need to be the priority before anybody else. Selfishly, I know, but I just don't want to do it. I did it before, I don't want to do it. It's just the fact that it's like, oh, my kid. And it's like, damn, I don't have no time for you. Like, you don't have no time for me. It's always your kid. And it's been like that. So it's like, no, I need to see how you are with me first, and then we can build onto other things. But I'm not talking to someone who has a kid.
I thought you was going to say something else, man.
Like what?
Somebody who doesn't eat.
You just scream?
So, I feel like y'all know. If y'all don't know, then you don't know. But that's my second one. Thank you very much.
The Ed.
Yeah.
Get head. Oh,
That's definitely my
she has to get head.
I have to.
Bruh, y'all need to stay away from these bust downs, man. Stay away from these 304s. So you're telling me a guy that's a good dad that you can't deal with him? Like, no, man, bust downs are not put first in any situation. Like you like a 11, 12 o'clock a.m. type of phone call, man. We can all tell you're not a priority. These type of individuals, these type of women are not priorities. Never have been, never will be. You can tell by how they move, how they speak. It's all in what they are putting out there. And under no circumstances would I ever encourage anybody to deal with a young lady like this. Again, man, it all starts up here, right? If the mindset is not where it needs to be, that lets you know everything that you need to know. Yeah, to keep it a band with you, fellas, y'all shouldn't even be hitting this. Like for real. I understand, them late nights you get lonely and everything. Fam, grab the lotion. Y'all got to stay away from these women with these cheap weaves, man. You see how she keep brushing that thing? They need to be more worried about them weaves. And it makes it so much worse when you have other men in the room that's not calling out this type of behavior, but they sitting there laughing. Listen, I understand that you're trying to get content. I respect it. But at the same time, man, y'all need to be holding these people accountable. Thinking that this stuff is funny and thinking that this stuff is cool. And then he said, I thought you was going to say something else. Eat what? Man, some of y'all dudes out there just be out there just putting y'all mouths on anything, boy. Y'all, these are the same bust downs that be in the club every Friday, Saturday, going home, letting dudes raw the whole night, be busting, and y'all be out there eat. Man, we got to get together, man. We got to get it together. These standards for these 304s are way too damn high. They're way too high, and they're way too outspoken because they think stuff like this is acceptable. Like that's on their list of things that has to happen, man. Bro, this, I ain't gonna lie, man. It's turning my stomach just thinking about it. This is why I'm gonna always advocate for relationships and getting with respectful, respectable women. All right, that's not out here, living like these type of chicks that think that it's okay to keep giving your body away to random guys. Women that know and understand that they need to protect themselves, they need to protect their womb, and under no circumstances should you be allowing random guys to just go up in you, put their mouth on you, and do all the rest of this other nonsense, man. This is a public service announcement to all of those guys out there. This type of behavior needs to stop. There should be no place on the internet where these individuals like this feel comfortable enough to sit here on this doggone podcast and spit out this BS and think that it's okay and say that these are their standards. You're an average chick. Trying to make it seem like a guy would be lucky to have something like that. Plenty of other dudes probably done got for far less without any commitment is crazy work. I want to hear from y'all, man. Y'all let me know what you guys think about this particular video. Drop it down in the comments, and until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.